Do you want to make a death screen like this? Start by adding a blur effect and lighting. You can mess with its properties and see which size fits the best. Go ahead and name it Death Blur. Go into Starter GUI and add a Screen GUI. Add a frame under the Screen GUI. This will act as the background. You can customize it however you want. Now add two text labels under the frame. The first one will act as the game over text, and the second one will act as the death message. Make sure you name the second text label Death Message. Now add a local script under the Screen GUI. These lines get the Death GUI blur effect, local player, and their character. This table stores different text messages that can be shown when the player dies. A random number is chosen to select one message from the messages table. When the humanoid dies, the GUI and blur are shown, a message is displayed for 3 seconds, then everything is hidden again. Make sure to disable the blur effect and uncheck the visibility of the frame before testing it. Go ahead and play the game. If we try to reset, it actually shows the death screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.